Hey everybody, this is going to be a manicure by Waterfall. As you guys can see, I got my little table water fountain going, and this is supposed to be a peaceful, relaxing manicure that I'm going to be performing on someone. So guys, please enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody out there, this is going to be a manicure video. Sorry you guys can't see that. All the instruments that came in here are right here, guys. I'm gonna have to hold my model's hand up so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So the first step is going to be to put some coconut oil on his cuticles and then soak them for a few minutes. And this is done just to get the cuticles soft enough so that I'm able to push them back and remove any excess skin. Okay. Just show everybody what it looked like before it goes into the water. Okay, now this is the water, guys. Now he's gonna soak his hands in here for a few minutes. So guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, so he's done soaking, and I'm going to take this little utensil and just push his cuticles back. So I'll move this out the way. I'm gonna put this down here. All right, and this is what I am going to be doing, guys. Pushing the cuticles back right along here. Right along here, but I gotta actually see what I'm doing. Okay, dear. Actually, you need this one, this tip. Okay. Let's push the cuticles back a bit. Okay. All right. Damn, your hands dirty. Cuticles dirty. Damn. Gotta clean under your nails and everything. This one just looks so bad. Damn. That hurt? Now he got some dirty ass fingernails, just so y'all can know that. They dirty as hell. Boy, you know you're supposed to clean under your nails, right? You do know that, don't you? Your fingernails. I can't tell. Okay. Ooh, that hurt? I'm sorry. Sorry. Am I sorry, y'all? I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Now that's just one hand. So now I have to do the other hand, guys, and just push the cuticles back. So I will get back to you all with the next step. Okay, everybody. The next step is to actually cut the model's fingernails. Open them. Damn, y'all. Don't be making this shit hard, else I ain't gonna do it. You better stop laughing and playing. Shit. What's this supposed to do? Okay, guys, we gotta get a toenail clipper for his fingernails because this little thing is not working. Be back. Okay, you can see. Hurt. I think I need that one. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to do the other hand and I will get back to you all with the next step. Alright, the next step is to massage this person's hands, and I'm going to be using some vitamin E, guys. So let me just do that. Make sure you put the oil on the cuticles right there and kind of just massage it in a little bit. Let's massage it in just a bit. Okay. Other hand. Some people just ashy though, and rusty, so you gotta use almost all your oil up on them, so it's okay. Make sure you massage it into the cuticles really good. Okay. All right. The next step, guys, is for me to get a little bit of alcohol and rub the nails to remove the oil, because I am about to put a top coat over it. So this is just a clear top coat. Rapid dry is what it's called. Hold on just a minute, guys. Okay, guys, I put some rubbing alcohol on this little cotton round, and I'm just going to remove the excess oil off of the model's fingernails so that I can polish them without that vitamin E oil getting in the way. All right. So the next step is to polish. All right. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm gonna move this down so y'all can see. I want them to see a little cruddy nail. Okay. Put it down. Oh. All right, y'all. Damn, fucking phone finna die. All right, let's get it. Let me do it like this. Okay. I can't polish nails like that. You want to move your hand back a little bit like this. Like this. You turning them the wrong way. Actually, this person wanted me to use pink polish on his nails like mine, but then I told him that wouldn't look cute. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding, guys. Okay. Let's remove the cotton. Okay. All right. Get the other hand. Let me get the other thumb first. Okay. That cotton, I got a piece of it right there. Let me just get that. Okay, y'all. Hope y'all can see this. Because I'm gonna have him put his nails in front of the camera so y'all can see what they look like. I should have did a before and after. It's too late now. Y'all would have saw these hands look like monsters. Hands. Thank goodness he has somebody to feel sorry for him to help him out and get him done. Okay, guys, so now his nails just gotta dry, but this is what they look like. I'm gonna put this back up here, guys. Okay, think you can just show the people? Like, okay, guys, yeah, see, this is what they look like now. Much better, but they have a little gloss on the nails. They're cut, clean, for the most part. I'm pretty much done. So guys, basically he has to let them dry, and I'm not sure if this is it for the video. It could be, but I'll get back to you guys. I have to check to see. Okay, everybody, I do have enough footage, so he's just gonna show you his nails for the last time, doing like this. So, they can see them. Yeah, there you go. Wiggle them a little bit so people can see the little shimmer on the nails. All right. So that's what it's looking like, guys. So, okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Bye. Yeah.